Hey, today I'm going to show you how to go from boring to cool in your toolbar on your iPhone. Stay tuned. Have you ever gotten tired of the toolbar at the bottom of your iPhone? Most of us only have 4 apps there. Well, I want to show you a trick that's going to blow your mind. Here you go. I have a YouTube app all the way on the right. And actually, what I would prefer is to have a folder of all the apps I go to regularly. Let me show you quickly how you can do that. Drag an app right over the one on the right, and I'm just going to drag them all over into that folder, just like that. Nice and handy. Cleans up your home screen, and it also puts all the apps you want available right in front of you. All right, and the last one. As you see, I've put all of my apps in the folder. Now, when I unlock and get out of edit mode, you can see I have 3 main apps that you can see. And on the right, you see a folder with all those apps available. Pretty cool. Hi, my name is Karen, and I make videos to help everyday users get the most out of their technology. Be sure to give a like down there and click to subscribe to my channel so you'll always know when new videos come out. And join as a member if you want early access to my videos. Leave a comment below and let me know what you found helpful or what you would like to learn.